Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well, and today we're going to be talking about some Robinhood news that has only come out 24 hours ago. And as of Tuesday, I actually got an email from Robinhood saying that they've cancelled the UK launch, and then pretty much 10 minutes later there was a lot of news articles coming out about the UK launch being cancelled by Robinhood. And we're getting stuck into this cancellation of the UK launch, what it means for us UK investors and everything like that. But guys, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll get stuck into the video. So Robinhood pretty much took the US by storm by offering a lot of free commission stockbroker, which we do have that in other forms now in the UK, but pretty much every kind of free commission we can pretty much benefit or has come from the launch of Robinhood. And like I say, it was a very easy to use platform with free commission, which really focused on millennials and millennials investors, and it has benefited so well that a lot of other stockbrokers have had to change the game plan to kind of offer no commission fees to kind of battle away with Robinhood. And yeah, now Robinhood identified at the start of, towards 2018, that it was planning on launching into the UK, and it was going through the same again of, great platform, it's going to have no commission fees. And something that was really cool that I thought was that it was going to have no foreign exchange fees. So us guys that do buy the US stocks, we don't get hit by the foreign currency exchange fees when we do purchase foreign stocks, which was really cool. But yeah, the news has come out that it has cancelled its UK launch. And this was the actual email that I received from Robinhood on Tuesday, and it said, an update on Robinhood UK. Hi there, we are saddened to share that we have made the difficult decision to postpone our UK launch indefinitely. We'll be closing our waiting list and taking down our UK website shortly. So yeah, to be actually completely wiping off the UK waiting list and to shut down the whole UK website, it kind of says to me that it is a decision that pretty much means Robinhood will definitely be putting off entering the UK for a very long time. If it was kind of something short term, I think everything would have stayed in place, but to be completely cancelling the waiting list, taking down the UK website, it means that it's going to be a while before we ever see Robinhood back in the UK or attempting to come to the UK for a very long time. It goes on to say the world has changed over the past several months. Obviously that's referring to the COVID-19, and we're updating and we're adapting with it. On a company level, we've come to recognise that our efforts are currently best spent on strengthening our core business in the US, which kind of makes sense, and building that up. I think they did get the license to become a bank itself, so yeah, getting more money out of the US where they've already got the infrastructure in place does kind of make sense. But yeah, I mean, it would have been good for them to expand out of the US, never mind. And making further investments in our foundational systems. Since we announced our intent to launch in the UK, we've been fueled by your excitement for Robinhood and humbled by your response. We are sorry that we cannot deliver the product we promised you this year, which it was actually supposed to come out in Q1. Although our global expansion plans are on hold for now, we will continue our work to democratise finance for all, and we look forward to the day when we can bring this mission to the UK. So it does, like I say, it does seem like they do want to come to the UK, but not any time in the short term. We're probably looking, I would say, 2 years away before they do come back to the UK. Now obviously the COVID-19 is one thing that has affected this company. I think also when you look into the company, there was a massive outage in the Robinhood service in the US only a few months ago, and I think that was during the peak of the correction when everyone wanted to buy, which did damage the reputation slightly. So I think they're kind of building that infrastructure in. Obviously as well, there was kind of the uproar when a Robinhood investor lost so much money on options, and basically he left a note when he was going to commit suicide that he did blame it on the options and Robinhood. So they are under pressure to make the actual brand or the company and the brokerage a little bit more harder to kind of lose your money, and to be actually buying things that you're doing. I guess that's kind of one of the bad points about having such an app that is so accessible, so easy to use, that you sometimes are getting people now that actually don't know what they're doing and how much money they're actually going to be risking. I mean, I mean, it's a sign of how well Robin have done to make a good app, but at the same time, you know, you've got to have a few more barriers there for people that actually don't know what they're getting themselves into, especially with some of the other things like options. So yeah, I mean, the reputation has been damaged over the last few months with that story as well as the COVID-19 and the blackout of the servers. So overall, what does that kind of mean for us UK investors, with Robinhood pretty much confirming they won't be coming to the UK anytime soon? Well, I actually don't think it's a huge dint to us, because whereas Robinhood changed the kind of free brokerage, no fees in the US, it also came here in the UK, but other companies capitalised on it. We did end up having trading 2 and 2 with the free fees that a lot of us do use. We also had free trade, which was pretty much based off Robinhood. So it's good news for free trade, because they will be able to, as well as having the free trades, be able to build up a few more stocks. I think they're also looking to expand into Europe, so Robinhood will also kind of fall behind them a little bit. So it's great news for free trade. They can carry on expanding as pretty much a UK Robinhood copycat. But overall, I don't think it affects us that much, because we do have trading 2 and 2. Free trade probably will be able to build up from here without Robinhood coming in, and I think it'll be a lot harder for Robinhood to come into this area now. In general, like, I think what really put me off Robinhood was the big massive blackout in like the correction. I don't want to be using a broker that's pretty much, if there's a big massive pullback, can't handle the amount of people that want to get on that brokerage. So I think that kind of got damaged, you know, by the blackout on the reputation. So I don't think I personally was going to use Robinhood again. I was excited to give the app a go and give the brokerage a go. I would have definitely given it a go. But I think in terms of like how big of a deal it is for us UK investors, sure, it would have been cool to use it, but I think with us having trading 2 and 2 and also having free trade out there, I think we'll be fine in the long term. So even though it's a bit of sad news, because I think we're all excited to use the app, yeah, I don't think it hugely impacts us as investors. So overall, if you hadn't seen the news, I thought I'd cover that one on Robinhood. And as always, guys, smash that like button on the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one.